How to log in to Targo Bank online banking account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Targo Bank account online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Then at the top search bar, type in Targo Login. As you have done that, you will see Login at the first search result of Targo Bank. Tap Open it. In case you see in German language, just tap on Translate to English and you will see this page. Under here, tap on Login on your bottom right and simply type in your username at this box. Once done, type in your password at the box below. In case you would like this site to remember your user ID for future, check the box that says Save My Username. And once done, tap on to log in now. And if your credential matches your account, you will successfully get logged into it. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.